XCT 2026, Xaviers Entrance Test 2026 for Mass Media. Guys, a lot of you dream to study in Xaviers, and of course, you will have to crack XCT for that. And this video is really important for all the students who want to appear for XCT 2026 because I'm going to give you all the tips that you need to crack entrance exam, from where to prepare, what is the best way in last 20 days, how you can crack this exam. So guys, make sure that you watch the video till the end. Hi guys, welcome back to Media Mentor. If you're here on my channel for the first time, I make a lot of informative videos for students, so make sure that you subscribe. Now, talking about XCT 2026, we have been offering crash course from last 3 years, and we have a lot of our students studying in Xaviers College. And when you talk about XCT, how you can crack it in 20 days and what are the things that you need to prepare and focus on, is you need to follow the syllabus. As you can see on my screen right now, this is a complete syllabus. When you talk about general knowledge, media awareness and current affairs, now where you going to study it from? I would suggest that every day you can practice it in terms of what is going on about the static GK, and media awareness is something that generic media के जो questions होते हैं आपको वो practice करना है. And the weightage for this particular section is 30%, which is one of the maximum weightage, because 30 for that and 30 for your creative thinking and logical reasoning. So when you talk about this 30%, you have to make sure that you practice well, and these are some apps that you can download on your phone and you can start practicing. This is really crucial because now you have less time. You cannot sit on the book and keep doing things. But if you need books, there are lot of options for MCQs for current affairs. You can buy that book, you can download a PDF file, you'll barely get it in like 50 to 100 rupees, be it Arihant publication or be it your Malayalam Manorama. ये दो है जो आपको MCQs देती है for every year. So you can download and start practicing. So 30% of your paper is like at least taken care of, that you can score as much as possible. Then comes your English. Now for this also I've prepared something for you. 20% you have to score 20 out of 20 no matter what. यहाँ पे आपको कहीं पे भी you do not have to lose out on marks. Now your synonyms, antonyms, comprehension, all of these things are really important. So this is the syllabus that you have to follow. If you do this well, 20 on 20. Now here you can see 30% we covered, 20% is this. Now moving on to your next 20% where people feel stuck, which is your data interpretation and economics. So students also who have their eco in 11th 12th will have to chill and relax. उतने में से ही आएगा. Data interpretation is your bar graph, pie chart, ये reading जो होते हैं, जिनके questions you can start solving online again. These are few websites wherein you can just go put in these questions or data interpretation and start practicing. Now in the end moment, I would not recommend lot of books to you, because in 20 days buying the book and studying from there, you don't have enough time. So it's better that you practice mock. And in my description box, I have given a mock paper and I have given the list of the books and the apps and everything. You can go just open that PDF file and make sure that you go through each and every question. There's answer key as well available in the same PDF file. And the last is creative thinking and logical reasoning. Is the same thing. ये logical reasoning है. Creative thinking के थोड़े 3-4 questions आते हैं. That is your 30%. So logical reasoning, which is your aptitude questions, are there. So you have to practice all this topic. And if you practice this much, it's fine. Now, the most important question that students ask is how is the difficulty level. So when you talk about the difficulty level, it's mediocre to easy. It's not very easy, but it is mediocre to easy. It is not at all difficult. So when you talk about the level 10 standard tak ka English, your data interpretation, economics, all of things comes in. Yes, you have to practice logical reasoning and critical thinking a lot. That is a section where you have to pay attention and give more time. So in last 20 days, if you start preparing and allocating time equally to each and every section of it, whichever is difficult to you, give more time and you will be able to crack it. So it is not impossible, but yes, you will have to prepare. And as you know that 60% weightage is given to the XCT, so you will have to score well in your 12. So most of the student ask how much is a safe percentage in 12. I would say if you have scored 75 above, you can attempt. But if you have scored less than 70, I would say the chances are like literally बहुत fragile है, but your choice, you can give. So if you have scored 75 above, you can still work hard and try to get in Xaviers BMM. As you know, it's a Catholic minority, so if you are an open category student, obviously your percentage needs to be higher than the Catholic students. So guys, from my end, I have shared each and everything that you need to know about XCT BMM, the syllabus, the important topic, weightage wise, and in my link, all the things are there for your practice, all the apps and everything I have mentioned. And yes guys, if you want to reach out to me personally for one-on-one counseling session, this is the number you can contact my team. They will share all the details with you. And if you're struggling, still not able to figure out things, you can buy our notes bundle where you will get recorded lectures, you will get MCQs, mocks, and you can practice and still can crack the exam in next 20 days. So prepare well. You can buy the mock from my super profile. The link is there in the description box. You just have to go and purchase from there. So everything is available. Whichever way you find it convenient, easy, and if it is your dream college, work hard. You still have hope. So guys, share this video with all your friends. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for a lot of such informative videos on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.